I'm Paula and I'm learning Korean. Hi!
Lesson 1. Hangul, the Korean alphabet.
So, I've learned my Korean this week and the first lesson was Hangul, the Korean alphabet. And yes, Korean has an alphabet. It's not like Chinese or Japanese. It's different. So you have an alphabet. So it was really easy to learn because I thought it would be harder, but actually it was easier, and it took me just 2 hours to learn it back, if I can say. And yeah, so it was really easy and I loved it. And let me show you what's Hangul, shall we?
So, as you can see, you have your alphabet here, and here you have consonants, and here you have vowels, okay? So, the first one here is G. This is N, T, R, M, P, S, N. It's like noun pronunciation at the beginning, and at the end of the syllable you pronounce it like like king at the end. J, H. Here is K. Here is T, P, Ch. Here is G, D, B, S, J. And here you have vowels, okay? So this is it. A, O, O, U, I, E, W. And here's like Ya, Yo, Yo, You, Ye, Wa, Wo, We. So it's pretty simple. And don't forget, I've learned it 2 years ago, so I have a good memory. But my first time took me just 4 days. And I took all my time, so don't be afraid. It's really easy, actually. And here you have syllables, like you can see. You have here ka, kya, ko, kyo, excuse me, ko, kyo, ku, kyu, ku, ki. And you have all syllables right down here. And this one is like ha, hya, ho, hyo, ho, hyo, hu, hyu, he, he. And don't forget, if it's the first time for you, don't be afraid. Just pronounce it over and over again.
Okay, now you know how you pronounce it, how you have to pronounce Hangul. I want to show you how you can write it down, okay? How you can write Hangul, okay? So it's pretty simple. You always begin with or a consonant and vowel, or a consonant, vowel, and consonant, okay? For example, you want to make the syllable A. So remember, A is like this, but you can't write down A like this, only like this. You have to put a consonant, remember? So you have to put something, a little circle. Remember the sound at the end of a word? You have to use it before your vowel, like this, okay? And at the beginning of a syllable, it's a mute sound, so you don't have to pronounce like nga, okay? No, it's not like this. You just pronounce a. You have to put this little circle to make a syllable a, okay? For example, you want to make a syllable like yo, you have to put like this and yo, okay? Remember the syllable, the sound wa. It's like the same thing. You have to put like o, okay? And you have the syllable wa, okay? For example, I want to make a syllable with consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? For example, I want to use this one, but with a sound k, okay? Like quoi. Yeah, like quoi. What in French. And actually, you will write down like this, like que, okay? O, a, okay? Quoi. Remember, you don't never have a vowel alone, and at the beginning, just like this. Always begin with a consonant, okay? For example, I want to write down the word coffee, and how you pronounce coffee in Korean is copy, okay? Yeah, sorry, it's my phone. So copy, how you write down copy? Really simple. It's like co p. Yeah, my phone again, sorry. Copy, right? For example, you want to write down the verb to read. Really simple. It's like 읽다. How you do it? It's like 읽다. Okay? This is a little complicated, and why I wanted to show this to you, because you have something here, okay? And this is called 받침. What is 받침? It's quite a double consonant part of the syllable, if I can say this, like, yeah. So it sounds like difficult, but actually it's not. You just have to learn the word, and that's all. And sometimes you pronounce like the first one, and sometimes the second one. For example, here it's like 읽다. Okay, and that's all for this week. And if you have questions, or if you want to comment on something, just leave them below or on my blog. And to all my Korean friends, once again, if I made some mistakes, just tell me please, because I'm not perfect. I'm learning Korean, I'm not an expert. And yeah, thank you all for listening, and see you next time. 안녕!